got style, I got sweat.
Oh
no, bitch, you got on a two-piece.
Like, you did not have to style that.
You didn't do nothing.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's JayLa'Shay and I have my friends with me. They're going to introduce themselves.
Hey, I'm Shamonica Olivia.
Hi, I'm Candace.
So today, as you guys can tell by the title, we are doing trends in 2020. So we are going to go over trends that we kind of want to see. We're just going to talk about them, things that we do see going in 2020. And yeah, so let's get into this video. One of the trends that I thought I wanted to see in was more like the bell bottoms.
Yes.
Yeah.
Definitely. I don't have a pair. I want a pair. They're expensive as shit. But I just love the way they hug the body.
Have you looked online to get them?
Yes, they were like, are they, okay, so it's $60 average price.
Okay, no.
Yeah, like
I've been seeing them for like 50,
I feel
like
this.
60.
Okay, so like these local boutiques, I have seen some people like local boutiques that have them for like $50, $60. But depending on who you are and where you shop, you could definitely find them on sale for a lot cheaper. I think going online and doing like Amazon.
Amazon? I haven't even tried Amazon. I've been scared to do Amazon.
And you always shopping at Amazon.
I always shop on Amazon, but
Oh
the pants, I can't get a wrong pair.
But,
like I can't.
Or try like Marshalls,
Okay.
TJ Maxx,
Okay.
Macy's. Listen, I got this dress from Macy's, baby girl.
Okay.
You
You gonna stand up and show us?
You find a
That
sale.
clearance rack at Macy's be hitting.
Okay,
They do.
listen. You find a sale. You find a sale, baby girl.
And what's another one?
What I think I'm gonna see, I'm not necessarily saying I want to see it, but what I think I'm gonna see is a lot of animal prints. The reason I say that is because they kind of ended the year with animal prints. I seen a lot of
They did though.
Yeah, you go into the club, you basically go to the zoo.
You got snakes, alligators in the back.
I ain't said nothing
I
wrong.
was snakes, so it's
I done got some animal print myself. I ain't saying nothing wrong with it, but I definitely see a lot of animal print going into the new year.
I do too. And I just bought like a tiger shirt, and I am obsessed with that shirt. I saw Amazon Prime.
I'm telling you, them animal prints are definitely gonna
Be in for sure.
See, like this year they did a lot of the neon and then the animal print.
Yeah.
I did see a lot of that. I feel like it's different, but I'm like, I feel like rocking neon print and cheetah print would be like, to me it looked childish.
I think,
especially if it's like overdone, like when people be having on like the matching like pants or shorts with the matching tops. I can't. It's too much.
So,
Yeah.
what you think about the two-piece outfits?
I'm done.
No, like literally, I'm.
I got one two-piece outfit, bro, and I don't even wear it like that because I feel like it's too much. Wearing it as one, like the bright, even the neon one. For my birthday, and I was like, I don't think I'm wearing this together ever again.
I think like this is my problem with it. It's too many people that think they popping. Like, oh, I got style, I got sweat.
Oh
no,
my
bitch, you got on a
goodness.
two-piece.
Like you did not have to style that.
You didn't do nothing.
Oh, you didn't put on your shoes, boo?
Right. Yes, in a purse. Like, that's basic shit. That's basic math. 1 + 1 = 2.
Two-piece. You know what I do want to see though, because I feel like I'm gonna be rocking them. People wearing the hats now, like the fedoras, the like huge like hats. I just bought one and I got like straight auntie vibes. I was like, I'm feeling this for sure. I love the hats.
Yeah, I love hats.
I'm definitely going for the hats. I love the hats. I think, like you said, that's gonna be a big thing.
Yeah.
What y'all think about the painter hats?
See, that's another one where I'm like, only certain people can pull it off. Like I can't pull that off. I can't. I tried it and I'm like, hell no. But like V, she wears it. She looks great.
Yes, she do. It's not a bad look though. It's not a bad look at all.
But it's not for everybody. And I can understand that. People need to understand that everything is not for everybody. Like, what time is it?
11:52.
8 minutes.
8 minutes for the count. Then 2020. What y'all coming with? What y'all going with? What you coming with? Hey.
Leave them 2 pieces.
And 19. Gloves.
Oh yes. Oh my gosh. Yours look bomb.
Okay. Did y'all see me?
But you, not even the gloves though. The shirts that like go. I told you the shirts that go into the gloves, man. I need to cut me a couple.
What? I got a leopard print. Back to the animal. You remember?
No, but that was cute though. That was so cute.
See, I got
it's on her Instagram. Check it out.
With the gloves, y'all see me on there dancing.
That with a cute bomb ass skirt, a cute boot, a nice ass jacket, bomb.
Yes. What you think about the leather?
Leather gloves or leather in general?
Jacket.
Yo, I feel like real leather
Yes.
needs to come back in 2020. Like I got real leather. My mom gave me real leather from back in the day, and that coat literally is like it's like formatted like a coat now, but that bitch is cold. Like I'm so warm outside.
My daddy today, he was styling me for a photo shoot I did, and he pulled out hella leather, and he was like, I think you should wear an all leather outfit, and I was like, that could be nice,
That could be cool.
but I ain't
For
do
sure.
it. But for sure, he has some nice ass pieces, y'all. He had a leather dress with pockets.
Ooh,
Like that bitch was tapered, and it was a round neck, and it kind of came out at the bottom. It stopped right above my knees, but it was kind of wide, and it had the big deep pockets. Genuine leather dress, beautiful.
Yeah. What's something else? You just had on something today.
What?
Your denim.
Oh yeah.
Your denim
Oh,
jacket.
my jacket. See,
Yeah.
I brought something. Y'all was saying I ain't
Oh
bring it.
yeah,
I brought
you
something.
did. Yes, you did.
Okay, you're gonna have to get it. It's
Okay.
that now. This is her. That's the jacket.
I think this
That's
is what
cold.
we want to see.
She
and
made
we
that.
know we gonna see coming in. Now this definitely, I think, is gonna be a hit.
Yeah,
like
for
the,
sure.
The denim patches, like you remember that shit?
Man, I want to pair on some jeans.
Listen, I don't want to be that person. You know how motherfuckers be like, I want to see this, I want to see that. I be like, I got that. I got that. I don't want to be that person, but
You got
I got that. They bell bottoms too, with
my
the half
God.
jacket. As a matter of fact, can y'all see that? Yup. I actually
Sure.
got these from a local boutique, Dollhouse Culture.
Oh, I heard of them.
Me
Yep,
too.
on Hamilton Avenue. So,
Okay. Dope. What time is it?
ooh, right.
Let me miss it.
Oh, another 50 man, y'all. Something in your cup?
No, I'm good. You got some in your cup.
Oh, they just.
Oh, well, we gonna go 10. 12 o'clock.
Happy New Year.
I don't drink, so.
But you
I'ma
still
just
got
be
it.
Oh my God. Dang, you could have got me a bottle of water or something. Like, dang.
Huh?
Cheers.
You gonna give me this ghetto ass candy?
I was talking to my daddy.
Bitch.
Happy New Year.
You know what?
All
Them
right.
the best fucking cups.
Y'all, I think I got left in 2019.
She got left in 2019. Damn.
Oh, I thought you left me in 2019. Happy New Year. Personally, my 2019, I say overall was pretty solid.
Mine had ups and downs. Like, I had some, like, rough where I'm just like, man, could this shit be over? And then I had some days where I'm just like, you know what, I fucks with it. I fucks with it.
I think we did a lot of growing.
Oh, yeah.
For sure. The beginning half of the year was great, but now I'm ready for this next year. Like, I'm just ready. I'm ready to move forward.
Yeah.
Cause for real.
Well, we here, bitch.
We here.
We here.
It's 2020 now.
I'm leaving all that shit in the past.
Hey.
You know,
Is there anything else y'all don't want to see?
that we don't want to see.
Yeah.
I already said this. Them fat ass felines.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Leave them. We don't want to see them.
We don't.
And some of them be like, oh, they ran
Especially
over
when they
and-
dirty. Like,
Yeah, it's like,
pull
just
them out
get
with
rid
some
of
nice
them.
biker shorts and a t-shirt.
I'm just sick of seeing them overall because
She said
they
no.
just wore them out. They wore them out.
Body looks the same. And I know what y'all can leave in motherfucking 2019. Them fake asses.
oh my God.
Oh,
Y'all
Y'all can leave that ass in 2019. Y'all literally look exactly the fucking same.
Same.
Like from y'all makeup to y'all hair, to y'all bodies, to y'all fat ass felines, to y'all two-piece motherfucking outfits, to y'all neon motherfucking cheetah print. Like, y'all look the same, sis. But at least I'm fucking up on my own. Y'all fucking up wearing what everybody else doing. Like, bitch, how you fuck up copying her? Y'all got
Right, you saw it. Like,
Right.
I was looking right at it.
Okay.
We all brought an item that we are like, real happy and excited to bring about in 2020. And we're going to, you know, show them off for you guys and, you know, tell you guys why. And yeah.
Okay. So what I'm going to bring with me, of course, is a fur. For me, I thought, hey, you know, 2020, nice furs, different patterns here. So we got the two-tone with the round neck. I can wear it with like a long turtleneck under. I think that would be really cute. A turtleneck dress maybe. A turtleneck and some high-waisted jeans. You know, I can dress it up, dress it down, kind of just do whatever I want to do with it. This will be one of the items I will be taking to New York with me. So just watch out for this in my near future.
Okay, so the fur that I chose was this.
Ooh.
I got this from Nordstrom. I paid a lot of money for it. I can't even tell you how much I paid. I'm taking this into 2020 because I'm coming on straight bougie vibes all 2020.
You already bougie.
I'm already bougie, but I don't dress like furs is my thing. Yeah, so this is my item.
Right. So my item, by default, because
She wore it.
because I wore it here, is this denim jacket that I made a little while ago. And I'm taking this into 2020 because denim never goes out of style. Denim is forever. Like, you can wear denim today, next year, the year after that. You know, and I like to be consistent. You know.
Okay.
Period.
She made more sense.
Period.
Period.
So I'm gonna take that with me this year and next year and the year after that.
Okay. Yes. That's what you call a fashion stylist.
Ooh. So I think that's all that we have for today's video of trends for 2020. Damn. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel so you do not miss any content by your girl. And also hit the thumbs up if you like this video. And I will see you guys in